Mi-au plăcut limbile străine, engleză, n-am făcut nici 50 de secunde n-am făcut engleză la școală. Dacă am prieten în Columbia, vă dați seama că cu ăla vorbești pe telefon.
Păi, vorbiți engleză?
If you want to speak English with me, we have no problem.
Seriously?
We have no
Speaking English?
Yes, of course. How old are you?
I'm 22, and you?
61.
Wow, you amaze me. Seriously. Wow. Then let's speak only in English.
Yes, of course.
Okay,
If you want to speak only English with me,
okay.
I am ready.
Tell me now in English.
Wait, I can hardly wait the coffee.
So I can bring coffee for you.
Yes, of course. I'll be waiting for you.
Okay.
I'll be waiting for you.
Man, your English, it's very good, actually. Seriously, like you shocked me
Thank you.
now.
The God is the God. And the mother of the God is the mother of the God.
And God is good all the time.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.